In the world of upcycling, the mantra "less talk, more craft" resonates deeply, driving artisans and creators to take a visual journey through overlooked and forgotten materials. This approach is not merely about the act of creating. It's an invitation to witness the transformation of industrial scraps and discarded tools into breathtaking, sellable home decor. Each project showcases the meticulous craftsmanship involved, revealing the process where raw, overlooked elements evolve into stunning, high-value artisanal pieces designed for modern living spaces. This narrative emphasizes the artistry inherent in upcycling, illuminating the hidden beauty that can emerge from the remnants of past industries and the practical ingenuity of creators who see potential where others see waste. Welcome to Decor Ideas, a creative space where woodworking meets imagination and simple materials turn into inspiring decor for modern living. Whether you're here for inspiration, learning, or pure visual satisfaction, staying until the final moment ensures you don't miss the most rewarding details, creative twists, and finishing touches that bring every project to life. Thank you for being part of this creative journey, and we hope our videos inspire you to see possibilities in every piece of wood and every corner of your home. So we invite you to relax, watch till the end, and enjoy the process as it unfolds and get inspired. The visual journey begins with the search for forgotten materials, often found in the most unexpected places. Salvage yards, construction sites, and even local flea markets become treasure troves filled with discarded items brimming with character and potential. An old industrial tool, once relegated to obscurity, can become the centerpiece of a striking lamp or a unique wall hanging. Similarly, sheets of weathered metal, with their textures and patinas, can be reimagined as eye-catching sculptures or functional decor elements. The initial step of sourcing materials not only sets the stage for creativity, but also invites artisans to engage with the story of each piece, transforming what was once seen as obsolete into something of value and intrigue. As artisans embark on their projects, the focus shifts to the visual transformation that each material undergoes. The journey is one of discovery, as they explore various techniques to manipulate the raw materials into desirable decor items. For example, rustic wooden beams may be sanded and finished to reveal their natural beauty, while pairs of vintage gears could be sculpted into a stylish clock. This kind of craftsmanship involves more than just physical labor. It requires a discerning eye to appreciate how each piece can contribute to a larger artistic vision. As artisans experiment with combinations of materials, colors, and textures, they create visual harmony, turning raw components into cohesive works of art that captivate the senses. An essential aspect of this visual journey is the attention to detail that each project necessitates. From the initial design concept through to the final polishing of a piece, every stage allows artisans to showcase their skills and dedication to craftsmanship. Whether it involves welding metal components together, joining wood with intricate joinery methods, or applying finishes that enhance the material's natural features, the process demands patience and precision. The beauty of upcycling lies not only in the final product, but also in the care and intention infused into each step of creation. Artisans take pride in the details, and their passion shines through in the quality of the work, elevating the final piece to something truly extraordinary. The evolution of discarded materials into finished decor pieces offers a unique narrative that aligns perfectly with modern sensibilities. In an era where sustainability and individuality are paramount, these artisanal creations resonate with consumers seeking decor that tells a story. Each item crafted from industrial scrap serves as both a functional piece and a conversation starter, inviting admirers to marvel at the ingenuity behind its creation. This narrative of transformation speaks to a broader cultural shift towards valuing craftsmanship, resourcefulness, and environmental consciousness, all of which contribute to the allure of upcycled decor in contemporary living spaces. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and help shape the creative direction of Decor Ideas. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments, and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. The visual impact of upcycled decor is further enhanced through thoughtful presentation. Artisans understand that the way they display their creations can significantly affect how they are perceived. A well-curated installation of handcrafted pieces interacts dynamically with their surroundings, allowing the textures and colors to create a dialogue within the space. This focus on aesthetics transforms the act of showcasing handmade objects into an art form of its own, where lighting, placement, and arrangement all play pivotal roles. By taking the time to create visually compelling displays, artisans enhance the perceived value of their work, prompting potential buyers to appreciate the high-quality craftsmanship that resides within each piece. Moreover, the visual journey of crafting upcycled decor often extends to the storytelling aspect of the materials themselves. Each piece of scrap wood or metal carries with it a history, a narrative that adds depth to the artisanal creation. For example, a rusted cog from an old machine holds the story of labor and industry, while a weathered plank tells tales of a ship sailing the seas. When artisans weave these narratives into their decorations, they transform simple objects into vessels of history, enhanced further through their new life as art. This storytelling capability serves to enrich the consumer's connection to the decor, allowing them to engage with not only the aesthetic appeal, but also the deeper significance behind each piece. The artistic process also encourages collaboration among artisans, inviting a rich exchange of ideas and techniques that further enrich the visual landscape of upcycling. By sharing their experiences, creators foster environments where innovation can flourish, leading to even more extraordinary transformations. Workshops, social media platforms, and creative spaces provide avenues for artists to connect, collaborate, and showcase their work. These interactions allow for a broader appreciation of the artistry involved in upcycling, emphasizing that the journey of creation, marked by creativity and craftsmanship, can inspire others to embark on their own artistic ventures using forgotten materials. Inspiration can be drawn from various sources, including nature, architecture, and even technology, each influencing the art of upcycling in unique ways. The interplay between organic shapes and industrial elements allows for a rich tapestry of design possibilities that can captivate the imagination. Similarly, modern aesthetics encourage a blend of old and new. Reclaimed materials find new life within the sleek lines of contemporary decor. Artisans continuously push the envelope, challenging conventional definitions of decor by creating pieces that not only serve a function, but also evoke emotion and provoke thought. This merging of styles highlights the capacity of upcycling to transcend traditional boundaries, evolving into a distinct form of modern artistry. The culmination of these efforts is evident in the finished pieces that emerge from the upcycling process. Each item stands as a testament to creativity and craftsmanship. Ultimately, the journey of transforming industrial scrap and discarded tools into breathtaking decor pieces embodies the essence of the less talk, more craft philosophy. The focus on visual storytelling highlights the potential within overlooked materials, shedding light on the artistry that lies within each creation. This exploration invites both makers and consumers to appreciate the beauty inherent in upcycling, embracing a culture that values creativity, sustainability, and craftsmanship. With each artisanal piece produced, artisans contribute to a narrative that champions mindful creation and celebrates the extraordinary metamorphosis of the ordinary into something truly magnificent. In doing so, they not only reshape discarded materials, but also redefine what it means to cultivate beauty within modern living spaces, proving that the possibilities are limitless when we prioritize craft and creativity over conversation. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.